Hey guys, it's Rich with Mowers and Blowers. Outdone. Psh. Oh, hey guys. Hey, I just heard about this free snow blower. So I'm going around, gonna go pick it up here. I'm in the subdivision, the next town over in Milan. So we'll see if it's there. Alright guys. Alright. There it is, sitting on the side of the road. Just as described. What do we got? What are we looking at? Toro S200 snowblower. For free. Alright guys, so here's our snowblower that I picked up for free. So I took out a couple screws and we're going to look at the carb inside here. So there's a couple screws on each side. I had to disconnect the choke wire. Goes on the choke right here. And everything else is still pretty much hooked up inside. So we are going to look at the carb and we'll see if it needs to be cleaned. Get a little closer look at it. So there's the carburetor. Alright, spark plug looks new. I didn't even pull it out because it just looks new. So they probably replaced the spark plug thinking it was a spark plug. And we will take the carb off and give it a little clean. Kind of holding together. So let's see if it'll start. See what the camera looks like. Can't even see it. So gotta tilt it down a little bit, I guess. Alright, there we go. Looks pretty good. Push the primer a couple times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the key on. Pour over. Gotta hold on to it. Pull it somehow. is on. Let's see. Yep, there, the choke is on. Smoke me out of the garage. All right, let's put it back together. Go from there. Okay guys, I got it put back together. Now that we got it started, let's take it outside. There should be a little bit of snow, not much out there left over, but we'll try it out. Hey guys, it's Rich. Mowers and blowers, outdone. And this guy with the Toro S200 said he couldn't get it running. Psst, that's what I said. And went down, picked it up, got it for free. For free. And took it apart, which really didn't need to take it apart. Found out there was bad gas in it. So before you go taking stuff apart, check the gas. But the guy said he was trying to start it and couldn't get it started or something like that. So he decided to set it at the curb. And when I went and got it. So check the gas first. You've seen some video of it running. Runs pretty good. And hey, that's an easy way to make some money. So I put it online and took 20 minutes. Somebody wants to come buy it. So that's how it works here. And I'm Rich. Mowers and blowers. Outdone. Psh, can't get it working. Alright, we'll see you next time at the auction. Alright guys, on the way to meet for the S200 snowblower. Whoa! There we go. Right. Hey. My wife's like, hey, you're not going to make it to work because I got to go to work myself. Yeah, I just used it this morning. There we go, loading it up. All right. there we go. Made some cash. Better put my seatbelt on, right? Somebody's watching this video. Alright, seatbelt's on, guys. Seatbelt is on. So that was easy. Pick something up on the side of the curb, get it fixed up, put it online, 20 minutes. Took to sell it. Made some easy cash. Alright, this is Rich. Mowers and blowers, outdone. They can't fix it. Easy cash. See you next time at the auction. Gotta watch the road here. Hey, this is Rich with Mowers and Blowers, outdone. Psh. Hey, come join the fun. Subscribe to my channel. Push that subscribe button. Use the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Hey, we'll see you at the auction.